A closer look at possessive adjectives, mastering ownership in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's lesson where we will focus on possessive adjectives. These are key elements in English grammar, helping us show ownership or possession in sentences. So, buckle up and let's embark on this fascinating journey to make your English more expressive and accurate. Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership or possession. They are words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. They always come before a noun and never change form, whether the noun is singular or plural. For example, it is my book, or they are our cars. When we use possessive adjectives, remember that they must agree with the possessor, not with the thing that is owned. For instance, if you're talking about a pair of glasses that belongs to you, you'd say, my glasses, and not, my glass. Now, let's move on to the exercises. The best way to learn is by doing, so it's time for you to apply what you've just learned. I will give you sentences with blanks, and your task is to fill those blanks with the appropriate possessive adjective. 1. __ book is on the table. 2. Are these __ shoes? 3. __ name is Lucy. She. 4. __ dog is very friendly. He. 5. __ houses are beautifully decorated. They. 6. The cat is cleaning __ fur. It. 7. __ apartment is near the park. We. Pause the video here and take your time to fill in the blanks. When you're ready, play the video to check your answers. Great job on trying the exercise. Let's check your answers. 1. My book is on the table. 2. Are these your shoes? 3. Her name is Lucy. 4. His dog is very friendly. 5. Their houses are beautifully decorated. 6. The cat is cleaning its fur. 7. Our apartment is near the park. Each answer corresponds with the person or object that possesses the item in the sentence. This is the essence of using possessive adjectives, to clearly convey who or what owns or possesses something in a sentence. Well done on completing this lesson on possessive adjectives. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to replay this video and redo the exercise. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use these possessive adjectives in your English sentences. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!